Hi everyone, I hope you are all doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today has been so crazy. I've just finished cleaning, so excuse the state of me. I also have a cold still. I've had it for like 3 weeks now, it's just not going. And I had a wisdom tooth removed, so if I am talking a little bit funny, it's just because my jaw is a little bit swollen still and a little bit tender, so I do apologise. Clearly I'm falling apart at this moment in time. So today we're going to be trying out lots of new products. If you haven't seen my most recent Superdrug haul, I will leave a link below. Go and check it out first. And today we're going to see if those products are actually worth your money and any good. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's just jump straight in. Okay, so I didn't actually buy a new primer. However, I recently got the new All-Nighter Face Primer. This is from Urban Decay. And I've seen a lot of people raving about it, saying how amazing it is. And I wanted to give it a go, so I went and picked it up. So it does come in a little pump tube and then it is almost like a cream. Now I have used this already on a night out. To be honest, it did everything I would expect of a primer. It smooths the skin. I wouldn't say for me on that night out it made my makeup last any longer. I know that everyone's raving about it and they're saying, oh my god, it made my makeup last so much longer. I think maybe if you're already not using a primer or using the Urban Decay setting spray, which I already use, then perhaps. But for me, I haven't noticed anything massive at the minute, but I will keep you guys posted. The foundations, now we did get two, so we are going to do a half and half today, which is very exciting. So the first one I'm going to use is the new Rimmel London Lasting Matte Full Coverage. Now, as I said in my last video, this is already an existing foundation. However, they've changed the formula, so I wanted to see if it was any different. So let's just see how this, oh, okay. So yeah, it's definitely mousse. It's definitely mattifying. I would probably say that this would be something to avoid if you had dry skin. I don't know this particular foundation, but just from previous experiences with mousses, they just tend to stick to any dry patches that you have. This is very good coverage, very good coverage. You can see it's just covered and given me sort of like a nice, I don't know. It's really good coverage actually. This foundation was really cheap as well. It was like $7.99. So again, I'm just going to try and do half and half because I want to compare. It blends in really quick actually as well. I'm using a brush at the minute, as you can see, but I haven't really had to, you know, spend a lot of time blending. It's kind of just blended straight in. I'm just going to go over it with a beauty blender. So the next foundation is the new Infallible. This is by L'Oreal Paris, and this says it's a full coverage weightless feel foundation. So let's crack this open and give it a go. Okay, so again, this has got quite a thick consistency. Oh, okay. So one thing I will say that I noticed about this foundation, they didn't have a huge colour selection. There were only probably, I don't know, off the top of my head, I just want to say like 7 shades. There wasn't like a massive amount of shades, so I don't know if they're going to release some more, but I had to wait some time to get my shade because they didn't have it and it was sold out like really quickly. So again, the coverage is definitely there. I would actually say they are both very similar in coverage. They're definitely both a full coverage. I mean, I've only used the tiniest bit, and to be honest, you can't see a massive difference except this side is mousse and this side isn't, but it does almost have, not mousse feel, but it is a very thick foundation, but neither of them feel heavy. Really, really like both of those. So yeah, I have to say, I know I haven't blended it properly, which we'll do in a sec. I like both of these. I'm going to keep both of these and use both of these. So Rimmel London Lasting Matte and Infallible Total Cover. Honestly, I can't say I've got a favourite. They're both very, very similar. I mean, if you literally were to give me both of them and not tell me what they were, I would think they were the same foundation. So I'm gonna take this collection You Do You. This is one of their new lip oils, which says it's moisturizing, but it's also gives you a gloss. I'm gonna put this on now just because my lips are so dry. It's definitely glossy. So it says it's got argan oil in and it hydrates and nourishes the lips. It is a high shine finish and it is vegan suitable. So yeah, I suppose you'd use this as a lip gloss, but you could also put it on before doing your makeup as well, just to, you know, moisturize the lips. It's definitely nourishing and moisturizing, and I think that would actually look really nice over a lipstick as well, and it was only $3.99. win. Okay, so the next product I'm really nervous to try. This is the new Revolution eyebrow pen. I got it in the shade Granite. This is what it looks like. I'm nervous to use this. So it has a little plastic applicator, and I'm guessing you just, oh shoot. Okay, yeah, so my eyebrows aren't that dark. I'll give it a go, but this is very dark. So basically it's supposed to just give you to like look like you've got real hairs. Oh my god, yeah, this is way too dark, guys. It's like, it would be a nice product, but it's really too dark for me. I'm gonna use it, just try and use it just to show you how it looks, just so that if you want to go and buy it you can, but obviously just get your shade. I've kind of put a little bit of foundation on it just for the purpose of this video, because I really don't want to use another product. I want to use the products that I've got. I'm probably going to go back and reassess the shades, because I actually do really like this product. It's just a shame it's not the right colour for me, but like I said, I want to use it for this video because that's the whole purpose. I don't want to be grabbing another eyebrow pencil. It's really strange. It definitely gives you really natural looking eyebrows. Like, if it wasn't for the fact that this was black, my eyebrows would look real, I think. I'm definitely gonna go back and get the different shade, maybe try the dark brown. Yeah, so I don't know how I feel about that product. I'll keep you guys posted and go and get a different color, and I'll let you know how that goes. But yeah, it's strange, but it's also really easy to use. Like, it took me 2 seconds to draw some eyebrows on, and they're not perfect, but you know, they'll do the job. So, Revolution palette in Fierce. I wanted to try this because I was just blown away by the colours. They are so stunning. I don't even know what I'm gonna do. I don't know whether to do something bright, but let's just test some of these colours. I'm not even gonna plan it. I'm gonna start off by taking this colour. Oh, gorgeous. Very pigmented. I only took a little bit. I'm then gonna go in with, I'm gonna take the gold because it's just screaming out at me. Oh wow, that's really pretty. So they are nice and pigmented. There's a little bit of fallout. They're really nice. I'll just show you guys the palette again, just in case you didn't see my last video. I'm gonna take this. I've got to experiment with these bright colors because otherwise, oh. That's gorgeous. So for me, the reason I picked up this palette is because I love myself, especially like a summer. This gives me like summer vibes, festival vibes. There is a lot of bright colour in there that you could use. I also like the fact you've got your neutrals. So again, you've got this sort of colour here. You've got a brown. So if you wanted to also pick it out and go, do you know what, today we're gonna just do a nice simple brown day look, you can do that as well. I like palettes that are really versatile. I'm gonna take this color and then I'm gonna finish it off with this color because I love to try all of the colors that I can in these videos rather than do a specific look. Oh, oh. God, they're beautiful. I mean, I've had a lot of high-end palettes, but for me, I actually tend to pick out Revolution palettes. I actually went through my makeup collection the other day and I had so many like high-end palettes from influencers and you know, everything like that I'd forgotten I even had, because I do just reach for a Revolution palette. Okay, so yeah, we're gonna go in with this last little color here. The colors are just so pretty. This one's very similar to the orange actually. Okay, I'm gonna try this white for the highlight color. So let's give that a go. Oh, I mean, I've got to be honest, Makeup Revolution is probably my favourite makeup brand. I feel like they just never disappoint me. I feel like I want to do a little line in here. Okay, so for concealers, I did get 2. So I got the Revolution Conceal and Fix, And I also picked up the brand new, everyone's talking about, Conceal and Define Infinite Longwear Concealer, which claims it lasts up to 16 hours. So let's try this one first. So again, nice big applicator, which you'd kind of expect with Makeup Revolution. They tend to do that. And then the other one is, like I say, the Conceal and Fix, which is not a new one, I don't believe. I think this is one they've had out for a while. This is a potted concealer, so I am going to just need to take an application brush. And this is a creamy concealer. You can see a difference in the colours, actually. This one they only have in a couple of colours. There's like 3 colours, so... Okay, so I'm going to take my beauty blender. Okay, so this is very thick. I've put way too much on, but that's okay. Oh wow, okay. So this is the new Infinite Concealer, and I have to say, it's very good coverage. You can see it's just brightened up. Wow, guys, that's a win for me. That's really nice. So again, this is very, very thick. I've put on too much. This is also very nice. Okay, well today everything is just going to be good apparently. Okay, so this is more of a creamy consistency. This is more of a lightweight consistency. They are both full coverage. Again, very similar. I would actually say this one has covered a little bit more than this one, but this one is also quite sticky. So let's try the Conceal and Define in the contour shade. I'm going to take a little bit because I feel like I've learned my lesson with this. So let's just take a tiny bit. So the shade I got this in was C17. And again, I'm going to try this for a little contour. I didn't actually have this idea. The stand where I went was advertising that you could use it as contour. I think it would work, but again, I think I've just took a little bit too much. In fact, I know I've took a little bit too much. So yeah, use this very sparingly because it is a very, very pigmented product. But yeah, that's like snatched. So I'm just gonna take my Superstay just to set everything. And again, everything is very mattifying. I'm gonna use the Falsies Lash Lift by Maybelline. This is a brand new mascara and it claims to make your lashes look false. Now, I can't use these on my top lashes, so I'm just going to use them on my bottom. Oh, okay. Not bad. I'm really fussy with mascara because I love my Autograph one, and there's not many mascaras that live up to it, but this is actually very nice. It's giving me length as well as thickness. So for my contour, I have been using Hoola Toasted. So it's just the darker version of the bronzer. A little bit does go a long way. I just put it on and my camera died, so I'm just blending it out. But it is a lovely, lovely colour just for contour. And then for bronzer, I've just been taking the Hoola bronzer. This is the original shade. I do need to go and get a big one because I've only got a little one at the minute because I wanted to test it, and I approve. I really like these products. I also went back the other day and picked up the Benefit eyebrow pencil and the Benefit eyebrow gel. I'm really loving Benefit at the minute. Really loving them. I actually forgot how good their products were. I had never tried any face products, only the eyebrow pencils and the eyebrow gels, and they're amazing. They are so amazing. And then I picked up these Hoolas and I was like, guys, I've also got the Professional primer, which again is also really, really amazing. At the moment we've all been waiting for, it is time to try out this gorgeous highlight. So this is the Revlon Skin Light in the shade Daybreak Glimmer. And I'm just gonna give it a little dip. And let's try this. Oh, the glow for days. Guys, this is so pretty. It's a gold colour, like it comes out very true to shade. I feel like this would look so nice I know I keep saying on holiday, it's because I'm going on holiday in 4 weeks, so I'm in holiday vibes, but this would look so nice on holiday, like with a tan, a little bit of this like on your collarbone as well. It would just look so pretty. It's just the most gorgeous gold shade. It's super pigmented. Okay, so I'm gonna just take my NYX lip pencil. This is in the shade Nude Beige, just because I want to try that oil over the top of a lip product to see what it's like. So let's give this a whirl over the top. It's just, it is like it says, it's like a gloss, but there's no harshness of a gloss. There's no stickiness or anything like that. So this is the finished look, guys. I hope you enjoy this makeup review tutorial. I approve of all these products. I think they are all really good. They are all amazing. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you guys in my next video.